Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Nubila AI token or NB token on Binance Alpha. So Nubila AI just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So this is the website, this is their website. You can go to their website nubila.ai. So if you want to buy the token, you can just go to your Binance apps, and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search NB for Nubila, search it, and go to Alpha tab, and then you will find NB here. This one you can click it, and this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not really good, I think, but this is my opinion. This is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Wow, the volume it's good, I think, almost 40 million in 24 hours. So maybe there is some opportunities to go higher, but I don't know. Once again, this is not financial advice. And there is 1 billion total supply. You can also check their website and their X account. Also, you can check their audit here. You can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom. Then you can instant buy. You can swap your USDT order token to Nubila AI. Also, you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this, and then also the amount, and then you can just click buy NB. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.